guys, welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily if you are new here, and if you are not new here, then welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be filming a yellow smoky eye, inserting the picture here that I posted on Instagram that a lot of people happen to enjoy and wanted to see a tutorial on it, so that's what I'm doing. I'll give the people what they want, and I really loved how this look turned out, so I'm really hoping that it looks the same as it did in the picture, because that looked really bomb. So, if you're interested to see how I created that yellow look, then just keep on watching. Start off with a good base. So I'm going to prime my eyelids with MAC's Girly Paint Pot. Nice, strong base. Makes for a nice, strong eye look. And now I'm going to just set my eyes so they don't crease. Go into the Manny MUA palette, and I'm going to get the shade Cake Face, which is just a white, just to set the eyes. So there's no sticky residue left from primer. I think we're good. And now we're going to get into the actual look, which is really exciting. So I'm going to go into the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. Right here, don't mind this is lipstick. I'm going to grab the shade Creamsicle, which is just a creamsicle yellow shade. It's pretty yellow. Kind of like Chickadee from Makeup Geek. If you don't want to order the full palette just to get this one color, it's kind of like that. It's like a golden yellow, pretty much. I'm going to bring this a little bit of my crease, because this is the color we want to like see throughout the whole entire look, so we can always keep this a little above the crease. This is not a good angle. What am I doing? Switching brushes, I'm gonna go in and grab my Morphe E17, which is a nice, it's not too big, it's like a nice like defined crease brush. And I'm gonna take that Morphe palette again, and I'm gonna go in with a couple of neutrals in the palette. I'm gonna take this like pukey brown right here. It's actually called pukey, so it has like some yellow it's like a yellow orange undertone brown, which is really nice. And I'm gonna take that and go right in my crease for some definition. This still has that yellow-orange theme to it, so it's not going to add in anything to it that we don't want. Alright, just like that. That is all we're using in this palette. So, now we're going to move on to the Manny MUA palette again, the Life's a Drag, and this is where we're going to get really exciting into the look, which is exciting, of course. I'm going to go in and take the shade Campy, which is just this bright ass yellow right here. I'm going to take this on a Morphe E18, which is a kind of more like defined brush, and I'm just going to start putting the yellow into my crease. And yeah. So I'm just going to start placing it down and just blending it out. If you can see. Alright, now to the exciting part of the look. I'm going to take my Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in the shade Queen Bee. This is actually just a yellow liquid lipstick. This, as a single, is sold out. This is from his summer 2016 collection, I believe. 2016, yeah. But he does have the equality bundle now you can get with a bunch of rainbow minis, and this is actually included in that. And apparently it's reformulated a lot better. But, not a lot of brands make yellow liquid lipstick, but you can get Anastasia, I believe, has a yellow cream eyeshadow, so that works too. But I'm just going to use this yellow liquid lip because it's what I have, and I know it works, and it's a really good formula for using on the eyes. So, I'm going to take my Morphe E2 M213 or M213 brush lid. Just this. You don't want any harsh lines, so make sure you're like spreading it out like nice so it's like kind of blended looking. See what I mean? You see what you picking up what I'm putting down? Same brush we used earlier. I'm going to take the shade Campy from the Life's a Drag palette once again. I'm just going to set that super quick. Alright, I'm going to go into this palette again. And I'm going to take the shade right here, which is called Sickening, which is a warm toned brown. And just keeping that right on the outer crease. Just right here. Just so everything is not a flat yellow color, because that gets kind of boring. Alright, so now that the yellow part of the eye is done, we're going to do the last pop to the eye. So I'm going to take that same little Morphe brush again that I used to put the yellow liquid lip on. And I'm going to take the shade Legendary from the Life's a Drag palette right here, which is a really nice gold. These have some of the best shimmers in the whole world. So that's why I'm super excited to do it for this look, because they're so pretty. And like pigmented, I can't handle it. I'm actually just going to wet my brush because that's how you get the best payoff, even though you could use your finger or you could just use a dry brush. I just like to get the ultimate wows. So I just wet my brush. And yeah, I'm just going to dip it a couple times. They're so creamy. Like, it is insane. I'm going to put that right on the center. Yes! Oh my god, it's so pretty. What? Now I'm actually going to do a quick little wing liner little action. I'm going to start off with the NYC eyeliner where I do like the line part of the eyeliner, and then I'll go in with another one for the wing part of it. We have this much done with the NYC liner. I'm going to go in with a L'Oreal liner. This is a L'Oreal liner, voluminous liquid liner. It's really nice. Has a really nice point. So I'm going to do the wing with this. Just to make sure everything is beautiful. There we go, and just like, alright, y'all are about to be shook when you see these eyelashes on my eyeballs. They're so pretty. They're really pretty. Alright, so most of the eyelashes on, then I will just like clean up the wing one more time, because it's not looking totally cute right now. So and pop on my lash. I'm trying out this new eyelash glue, and it's really like sticky. Oh my god, but it burns my eyes so bad. It is not good. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye off camera and also do my face makeup, and then I'll be back to do lower under eye shadow, and I will do some mascara and stuff with you guys. So I will be right back in just a second. I add the finishing touches to the look. I did my face makeup, and now we're just gonna do the lower lash line, add a little bit of glitter and some mascara. So I'm gonna grab the Life's a Drag palette right here, and for the lower lash line, all I'm going to do is I'm going to take the shade Sickening right there on the E18 brush, and I'm going to run that on my lower lash line. This step right here brings the whole look together. And then I'm going to take the same E18 brush and use the shade Campy, which is that yellow from the palette, and put that right on top of Sickening on the outer part. And then on the inner corners. And then I'm going to add a little bit of glitter. I'm going to take Urban Decay's glitter in the shade Glam Rock. These are the heavy metal glitters. They're super, super, super pretty. I'm just going to take it and put it right in here. It just adds a cute little piece of extraness. I'm going to go ahead and do mascara. I'm going to take the L'Oreal Telescopic. Of course, it is my favorite. I'm going to do lips, and for my lips, I'm just going to do a light little gloss. I don't want to do anything too intense, I don't think, where my eyes are yellow. Like, doing an orange lip just wouldn't be right. Let's see. What if I do like a light tint of like orange? Let's try this. That's pretty. Alright, I'm going to go with the Revlon. These are the Color Burst Balm Lip Butters. I haven't used one of these in a long time, and this is in the shade Tutti Frutti. Oh, that's really pretty. That's cute. Alright, so that kind of closes up the look. It looks really spring, really summer, really cute, really fresh. So, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, be sure and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more tutorials and fun videos just like this. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.